So, with it being our last night traveling and hanging out with our older sister, we decided to make a quick night run to Walmart so that we could spend our last night just partying, having a good time together. So, we got some Martinelli's. We weirdly walked around the store, we laughed, we looked at cereal that we used to have all the time as a kid. Sophie tried to sell us with an ad of the mega sized box, I don't know. Then her sister had us look for this really weird applesauce, but we think she was just trying to get rid of us. Then we got some cakes, well, cheesecake, and then we also got a key lime pie. And then we're just checking out, and we're going home to party and play some games. Have a nice night, y'all.